Hello, my name is Christopher Fredrickson, Director of Engineering at Insituware, and I'm here today to tell you how you can extend the stencil life of your solder paste, reduce solder paste waste, prevent printing defects, and all in all, get the most out of your solder paste with the Visionmark 1 device. Have you ever received a jar or cartridge of solder paste that seemed questionable and thought, can I still use that? Maybe it arrived warm, or maybe it's just not printing as expected. Or have you ever experienced printing problems that you just can't get to the bottom of? Getting skips for no apparent reason? Not getting a good roll? We see customers all the time where they get drastically different printing performance between lines or facilities for the same paste. And it can have quite a few different causes. In some cases, we've seen a humidifier directly above one line, causing additional defects. In other cases, the facility might be in a region where humidity in the environment is very difficult to control. But there is always one thing in common in all of these cases. The solder paste itself changes drastically depending on how it's used and handled. The Visionmark 1 device allows you to measure and control your solder paste before adding it to the printer or during printing to ensure that it is fit for use. Based on fundamental material science and using cutting-edge sensors and machine learning, in minutes, the Visionmark 1 device can tell you about the underlying chemical phenomenon within the solder paste that drive its viscosity and printing performance. It might not always be practical to measure the viscosity of every jar of solder paste in the lab before use, but with the portable Visionmark 1 device, you'll get results right there on the production line that are strongly correlated to the viscosity of the solder paste and ultimately tell you, is this solder paste okay to use? So let's see it in action. Getting set up with the Visionmark 1 device takes only 3 simple steps and can be integrated into your process within a few hours. First, we need to set up thresholds for what is passing or failing. We go through a series of lab testing in our facility, working solder paste to failure to help you to understand what is an acceptable measurement and what is a measurement that might start to cause defects in your process. Second, make measurements with the Visionmark 1 device. You can measure your solder paste before adding it to the printer or during printing. Simply place a thin layer of solder paste on the probe, plug it into the Visionmark 1 device, and you'll have results on the fitness for use of your solder paste in 3 minutes. And these results are wirelessly uploaded to our cloud database so you can view the data from anywhere. Lastly, see what insights you can gain to better control or optimize your process. Does solder paste on all lines behave the same? Is solder paste from one distributor more variable than another? Are you getting shorter stencil life in high humidity environments? Are you getting the advertised stencil life? Imagine a world where you can determine the fitness for use of your solder paste before every job and have a record to prove it. You can eliminate solder paste waste by avoiding throwing out still good solder paste. You can prevent printing defects before they occur, eliminating waste, and you can ultimately build a more reliable product. But the Visionmark 1 device doesn't just stop with solder paste. It's a multi-purpose Swiss Army knife of tools that will allow you to control every material in your process. Simply replace the detachable Insight module and your device can control conformal coatings, test the cleanliness of your assembly, monitor adhesives, and more, all with one system, giving you a very competitive total cost of ownership. The Visionmark 1 device is available now, starting at less than $600 per month. Please get in contact for pricing and terms. Thank you very much for watching.